Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a project and importing assets. This is where control starts. Tap the plus icon, select your images from device or cloud, and choose a canvas ratio that matches your output. 16, 9 for video, 4, 5 for social. Once done, arrange primary photos on the timeline or grid so you can see composition relationships. Make sure to name the project and set resolution early to avoid wasted rework. That decision affects exports and editing tool behavior later. Now you'll build the image using layers and precise adjustments. Start by reordering and locking layers to protect elements, then apply blend modes where necessary to integrate exposures. This creates depth. Once positioned, tweak color with exposure, contrast, and HSL sliders, and use masks for selective corrections so edits stay natural. Add effects like AI enhance or grain sparingly. They unify tone. Make sure to preview at 100% and toggle before slash after to catch subtle artifacts. Finish by exporting with settings matched to your delivery. Pick DPI, color profile, and file type, JPEG for web, TIFF or PNG for high-quality prints. Once ready, save a master file with layers intact so you can return later. If the export stalls or artifacts appear, first check available disk space and the chosen color profile, then restart the app and try a smaller export batch. If problems persist, revert to the archived autosave version and reapply final adjustments carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.